In this video, I will show you how to get free Fall Guys Xbox Game Pass skins on PC. All you need to do is follow the simple steps in the video and you'll be able to enjoy your new Fall Guys skin in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end for all the details. To get started, first open up the Microsoft Store and then download the Xbox app onto your PC. Click on this Get button and it will install the Xbox app onto your PC. Once you have downloaded it, open it up and you'll see something like this. And then sign in to your Xbox account with Game Pass Ultimate. After you've logged into your Xbox Game account, click on Perks over here. Scroll down to the bottom. And, as you can see, Fall Guys Roborabbit costume. Go ahead and click on it. For those of you who already have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, this will say Redeem Code. After that, a code will show up. So click on Next and you can follow the on-screen instructions to claim your Fall Guys Roborabbit costume. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.